So in this video, we'll learn about scatter matrix. Now, here we have imported the Pandas library and also we have loaded the dataset into our notebook. Now, let's have a quick look at the data. So here, the data represents the different attributes of laptop. We have inches for different laptops, the CPU, the RAM, and also their price in euros. Let me show it to you. Now, a typical data science job or machine learning job is to see the correlation between different things. Now, here we might be interested in knowing what is the correlation between price and RAM of a laptop. Intuitively, we know that RAM and price are related. Higher the RAM, higher the price. But we need some evidence of this. Similarly, we may need the evidence for the correlation between the screen size and the price, or weight and the price. So let's have these attributes. So here we have inches, RAM, weight, and the price. We want to see the relationship between all these attributes and the price of the laptop in euros. So now, to create the scatter matrix, we need to type this command: pd plotting dot scatter matrix. This is the method, scatter matrix method. Now we'll specify the attributes that we want to plot, and then we'll specify the figure size. So let the figure size be 12 times 8. Now let's run it. Now what we have here is this. Now we see the relationship between price and different attributes. We see that higher the weight, higher the price. Typically this is the case. And also higher the RAM in GB and higher the price, which we know intuitively. And here is similar phenomenon. Higher the size in inches, higher the price. So this is the correlation between price and different attributes.